77 money, got them woofers in it. When I pull up, they be like, who that in it? You know they hate to see us winning, so that's why them windows untinted. Baby girl, I need your full attention. I'm in my prime, my fitting line, so I need you to multiply that vision.
What's good?
We ain't got it, we can go
So, I am currently building 5 cars simultaneously and a bike. That's one. That's gonna be called Ugly Duckling. That's my 75 that I crashed. It's on the page. I know y'all been wondering where it's at. That's where it's at. I got a 77 Money. I got a Silverado. I got a new school Impala. The main one that I'm building, I got a 77 Money. Spent LS swap. Finally got the paint done on it. Yeah, that's my bike right there. I'll be doing that. So I might even do the 4-wheel up. But this my 77 Monte. 26-inch Money Fords. But, that's the main focus. I still gotta buff it and do a little, you know, miscellaneous stuff on the inside. But y'all tune in to all these bills. I'm about to go get some siding right now so I can close this carport in. And I'll probably start spraying out of there. But yeah, that's the goal. Gonna get all that stuff up and running this year. By the end of the year, I'm trying to have all these cars done. I'm probably gonna paint them all the same color except for 2 of them. But the rest of them gonna be my fleet. Pull up game strong. Let's see. Ain't nothing really wrong with this truck paint, but like I say, it don't match the fleet. So gotta respray it. But yeah, I'll tap in with y'all in a second. I'm about to go up the road and get this side, and we'll come back to the house and lay it all out. I had to stop and get gas, but yeah, man, I guess the vision is, I say I'm gonna close my carport in the backyard, and I'm gonna start doing little projects at the house. I got so much stuff going on, I just get tired of moving around and going from shop to shop and stuff like that. But it'll just be a lot more convenient to just have everything in one place. So that's what we're gonna do. So I finally got my 77 painted, which has been the longest project I have, because let's say I just did the whole LS swap in there, and I have to show y'all that later on. I forgot to show it earlier, but the orange car, it just really needs body work and a motor, which I have a motor in my 75. I'm just gonna switch it over. And then I'm gonna take the internals from that 75 and I'm gonna rebuild my 74 Impala. And I'm trying to debate on, should I put a big block in that or go LS? Y'all can tell me what to do with that in the comments. I'm thinking big block personally, because like I say, I got an LS and it's cool and all that, but I don't know, it's just something about that old school pressure, you know what I'm saying? That old school power, you know, just straight gas action. Like, I don't know. I just really miss that. So I'm probably gonna try to find me probably a 383 stroker or something like that. I've always wanted one of them, so I figure why not? Got the perfect candidate for it. Just something disgusting, just come through the streets real nasty with it, you know what I'm saying? If you got a dream, you the one that need to see it through. you worried about people not supporting you, it's because God didn't give them the vision. All they see is a blank canvas. But you see the after effect of, you know, the hard work and the countless hours that need to go into it. Only you see that. You know what I'm saying? So if God tell you to build, build. And whoever's supposed to come, they will come. But you need to put it there. I mean, think about Noah. Noah was out there building that big ass boat. And then people around him was like, bro, you tripping, what are you doing? It ain't even wet over here. Bro, it ain't even raining out here, bro, you tripping. But once that rain started to fall, and it wouldn't stop falling, then that's when people realized Noah wasn't crazy. And his vision was actually something that was, you know, given to him from the Most High. But it was too late then. That's why I say everybody ain't gonna support your vision, because it ain't for everybody. It's not meant for everybody to go with you where you going. So that's what you gotta understand. The people that your vision is meant to benefit, they will benefit. They will come, they will support you when the time is right. But you still gotta step forward, you gotta step out on faith, and you gotta make it a reality. Otherwise, you wasting dreams. You wasting, you know, potential. Alright, so I got the side into the house. Alright, so I ain't take all of them off, but as you can see, I be collecting signs along the road. I be seeing signs be knocked down. I guess y'all be hitting them with y'all cars. I don't know why else they would be laying on the ground, but I be collecting that kind of stuff because the vision is, I'm gonna close this in right here with this 10 that I just found. And I'm not even really I think I'm gonna keep the rustic look because I kind of like that. I'm gonna put all them street signs all over it and give it like a throwback gas station vibe or whatever. These things are heavy as hell. I didn't know they was gonna be that heavy when I got them, but so I'm probably gonna have to find somebody to help me put them up. But I say about give me about another month or so. I'm gonna be painting something back here. I don't know, I'm probably gonna start off with my might try my truck first to see how it work out. I gotta do experimenting on my own stuff because I don't know how it's gonna go, so I gotta learn the ins and outs of it. So I'm gonna use my own stuff. But yeah, this is the car I was talking about earlier. Like I say, it's got an LS swap, and I guess I can show y'all that now because I didn't show it earlier. I was just talking about it. It's a lot of pollen. Hold on, y'all. There we go. I should have put some new hinges on here. I ain't thinking about it. I was in such a rush to just get it painted. But yeah, that's the motor, 5.3. I need to wash this again because this one got filthy, but that's what we got. customized to match the exterior. But yeah, man, I need a license plate for the front. If y'all make them, let me know. I'll tap in with you on the design. But I've been painting a long time, man. I done painted in $100,000 spray booths. I done painted outside in the open. I mean, some of y'all done witnessed that on my TikTok. It ain't really what you got, it's how you use it at the end of the day. But I retired from painting a couple years ago, but I ain't gonna cap, I miss it. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. So I got the ability to do it at the comfort of my, my own home in my backyard when I feel like it. So that's all I'm doing. But like I say, give me about a month or so. I should have this thing somewhat pieced together where I can at least spray something in it without debris falling from the sides. And then I'll probably close the rear end. I'll probably just leave the front open for real, because I don't be tripping. I'll probably close it in before the winter time comes, but I should be all right in the summertime with the stuff I'm gonna be doing in particular. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to start posting a lot more content. Like I say, I got a bunch of cars in the works, and I'll show y'all, the process as I go. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end this video here because of my memory. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit this one up and get it out to y'all. Also, check my music out. J Spray on all social media platforms, Spotify, iTunes, all that good stuff. So tap in, Chevy music, Chevy riders. That's what I do. You know what I mean? Trunk music. Peace.